In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple meetings or a parent coordinating family events, Google Calendar's appointment scheduling feature can simplify your life significantly. Let's dive into the process and set you up with an easy-to-manage appointment schedule. First things first, open your Google Calendar. This will be our starting point. You can find Google Calendar in your app suite if you're using Google Workspace, or simply type calendar.google.com in your browser. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner to find the Create button. Give it a click and several options will appear. Select an appointment schedule from these choices. This is where you begin setting up dedicated slots for appointments. Now it's time to give your appointment schedule a title. Think of something that captures the essence of these meetings or appointments. It could be as simple as consultations or weekly catch-ups, whatever suits your purpose. This title is an essential step as it provides clarity for both you and your meeting attendees. With your title set, let's move on to specifying your available days and times. This customization is essential as it dictates when others can book an appointment with you. Review your existing commitments to choose blocks of free time that align with your availability. You can set different schedules for each day, and flexibility is your friend here. Once you've set your availability, you'll have the option to customize booking settings. This feature lets you refine how appointments are booked, ensuring that your schedule remains manageable. Next, decide the duration of your appointments, whether it's 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Keep in mind the nature of your meetings and allocate sufficient time accordingly. In line with that, adding buffer time between appointments can be invaluable. This gives you a moment to gather your thoughts or take a brief break. Furthermore, consider how far in advance people can book an appointment with you. This helps prevent last-minute disruptions to your schedule. After this, you can add a description or any details your attendees need to know. This could include preparation instructions or what to expect during the meeting. Then don't forget to specify the location and meeting method, whether it's a physical address or a link for a Google Meet. Finally, hit the Save button. Your appointment schedule is now ready to be shared with others. Simply copy the link to your booking page and share it via email or your preferred communication channels. And that's it. You've successfully set up a streamlined way for others to book appointments with you, minimizing the back and forth and maximizing your productivity. Enjoy the flexibility and organization that comes with Google Calendar's appointment scheduling feature. Happy scheduling!